Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to change your About section on the Pinterest app using your PC, especially with the new update that's made this process even easier. If you want to refresh your profile and let your followers know a bit more about yourself or your brand, this walkthrough is just what you need. To get started, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu and find the gear icon that's your gateway to settings. Click on that gear icon to enter the Settings menu. Inside Settings, you'll see an option called Edit Profile. Click on that, and here you can update all your profile details. Now scroll down until you find the About section. This is where you can type in your new description or bio, giving your profile a fresh, personalized touch. After you've finished writing your new About text, don't forget to click Save to make sure your changes are applied. That's it. Your Pinterest profile now has an updated About section that reflects who you are or what your account is all about. Changing your About on Pinterest via PC is straightforward because of this new streamlined update. You now have control to keep your profile current anytime you want, without any hassle. Whether you're using Pinterest for personal inspiration or building a business presence, keeping this section updated helps others understand what you share and what inspires you. So remember these quick steps. Open the Pinterest app, click the gear icon on the left menu to access settings, select Edit Profile, update your About, and click Save. Following these steps ensures your profile stays fresh and inviting for everyone who visits. Thanks for watching.